Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so basically this is a series called Coding. Very original name. Anyways, I think we should just get started. Okay, so now as you can see here, we have VS Code. Let me just put the OBS right next to this so I can see. And right now what I have is like this green guy, and he's just chilling, and there's this wall. And basically what we're going to want to do here is just put a little flag, kind of like similar to OVO. Definitely no inspiration there. So it's gonna be blue, and since I could not know less on how to like actually make a flag other than like make PNG screen blit, yeah, I don't really know. So Claude's gonna be my helper, like a really good helper. So let's get into it. Okay, so what we want to do is, so I've already made a class called flag. It builds on entity, so I'll be able to do the wall collision, define wall collision, self other. Do that. Anyways, now all we've got left to do is to make the flag. You're just gonna do flag 1 because it's gonna have levels. And it's not like your normal levels. Like it's gonna be like you have this, like this wall there, but like in the next level it's gonna stay, but there's gonna be more things added. And I actually could like not care less and getting rid of this. Like, yeah, this is just gonna stay there for the entirety of the game. It's gonna be like a 5-minute play. Like, you know, this game on Steam, like, oh yeah, this is just gonna be a 5-minute fun thing. They're actually really good games, like Lemonade Deck. Anyways, I'm gonna make a flag. Now we get the width and height. I think this should be a slightly smaller than the player, so 300, 400. Oh, no, 50, 50, that's 50. So 40. No, we have the X and Y first. Yeah, just don't mind me being absolutely garbage at coding. So how big? 100 to this side. So I think 40 is gonna work. 40 to the right. I think just 20 should work. Like 20 down. Anyways, by the way, if you didn't know, the way Pi Game does it is like at the top left corner. That's where you start. And X is like this. And Y, it's like this. So instead of like from the middle or like the bottom, it's like, instead of X being like right here in the middle, it's just gonna be like up here in the top left corner. So you can't just go negative 200x. That would just make it not go off the screen unless you want it to go off the screen. I don't know why you would want it to be like that way, unless you're doing an RPG, but we're not doing that. Anyways, back to work. So we got the flag ready. No, we don't. We have to add the width and height. So this should work according to my calculation, and it doesn't because I didn't call the render. I have to call the render. Player. I forgot the name of the thing already. Right. Render screen. Right. Now I'm gonna change this to be blue, because if I just run it now, I take that back. Did I already make it be blue? I guess I did. yeah, so like the wall renders white 255, 255, 255, but this one's gonna be blue 0, 255, 0, 255, 0, 255, 255. So yeah, so we're gonna get our flag, and now we are center myself. See, this is why I'm a perfectionist. This is very much why. See, that's actually I'm taking a screenshot. I do not care. That's actually perfect. This is actually perfect. Very good. Yes, and now we gotta do more coding. I know, very scary. Now we have to make it move and do stuff when it collides. So what we're gonna do each thing is flag. Actually, no, player. The collision check. Flag 1. Actually, I have a genius. And by genius, I mean stupid. I have an idea. If I do an S string, can I do an S string to this? I think I can. An S string. Okay. Okay. Then I have, what was the thing again? Oh yeah, flag. Actually, no, I'm just gonna write, yeah, flag. Then level. Yeah, level. Yay! Hopefully that works and it doesn't crash. But technically, if this should work, I should do if check flag level, then move flag flag. I hope you can do F strings outside of it. Level, flag level, dot move. I just realized something. This shouldn't be like that. It should be just flag, cause it just has to move. Like that's all I need to do. It just has to move. So yeah, I'm gonna make it move now. I'm just gonna have some water, cause like water's good for you, good for your health. Anyways, you can live without water. Trust me. I've lived for 2 weeks without water. Tastes good. Anyways, what I want to do is, instead of having to do all this, all I have to do is just flag. I don't even have to do this. Like, just flag. Glaf. Absolute cinema. Glaf. Very much glaf, not flag. Who cares about flag? It's glaf. Anyways. Flag that move, you move it to wherever else you want it. So now we're gonna have to create a new variable called flag glaf. Again, glaf. Flag next position. I can just do pause. Where do we want the flag to be after this? Let me play that. 0. Just for now. Something crashed. Where is 158? Okay. 158. Okay, flag 1, no. Okay. You know, I want it to be like this. See, I did not plan this. Okay, let's go into game design mode. I think what we should do is we should split this into 2. we should add a dashing mechanic. We should add a dashing mechanic. Just gonna write D to dash. Okay, that works. Like, I haven't implemented the dashing yet, but I think what we should do here is we have, like, you see, this? We should have, like, something like this over here. And we should have, like, some spikes. Definitely not taking this from Ovo. Not taking this from Ovo. So we should have some spikes over here. And you have to dash, because you can't get through it normally. It's very narrow. So what would this position be? Well, if this is 100, I want it to be like, I don't know, 20 off. So 120 would be X. So for now I'm gonna do 120. I'm just gonna check if the OBS, it's still working. Wait, I'm happy now. I'm actually happy now. And I'm also sad now, cause it's not blending with, like, it is kind of blending though. Whatever, we'll figure it out. Disc is disc. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, you can't really see it, can you? Whatever. Anyways. 70th time I said that. We need to move the flag. And our next thing should be 120. And our Y, I think it should just be 40. Yeah, so now we move it to the next position. Where is our thing? Okay, flag move. Flag glove. Very much possible. Next position. And there you go. And if this works, please tell me this works. Speed. And it crashes. Okay. And why? Okay. So I guess I do have to put it next X flag and next Y. 20 and 40. So now it crashes again. Okay. Next. It's not next position X. It's next X. Next X. Okay. Let's see if this works. Yes, it works! I have to put this at 140 though. Oh, I'm happy. Gosh, I'm actually happy. Well, on a day's work. I'm just gonna add the dash real quick. So, yeah. Okay, define dash. My name, but like without the R. Define dash. Okay. I don't think we need anything. Yeah, I don't think we need to do anything. Define dash. Self. Need self, obviously. We can just change the width and height, yeah. So I'm just gonna change the height. No. Self the height. Yes, self the height. Minus close. What do you think we should make it small by? I mean, I think we should make it small by half, yeah. I think self dot width. I just realized we need a thread, like a separate thread. And I don't know how to do that. I'll figure it out. I'll definitely figure it out. Okay, my hope for now is that instead of waiting, like, let me just get this. Instead of, like, if I call dash, I want to sleep for, like, 1 second. And then I'm going to make it go back to normal. So, like, I have no. Oh wait. Okay, so dash self, dash. I want the self dot x. Oh wait, that is a. Oh. Where should we dash? Should we have it so like it only dashes, like should we have it like where it only dashes, like where the flag is, like dashes to the flag? Yeah, that would actually be really smart. But that would also be telling myself that I don't know how to like do directions. So yeah, like how are you gonna do that? Cause like there, to me, I see two options. I see the first option. Get rid of the thing here. Normal. Okay, I think there are two options right now. The first option is that if I go here and let's go small. Annoying. Probably been annoying you for like the past 2 years. I think the first option is we could have this and we could make a variable that every time if you press up, last direction pressed up. So if last direction pressed is up, then go up. Second is the more puzzling one. Go towards the flag. So I think I'm gonna do that, even though I'm pretty sure it's harder. So now I have to find, okay, if flag x, no, I want to find the abs of it. So abs, flag, oh no. I need the other, self and flag. So self, flag. Okay. If flag, glaf. Guys, it's not flag. Can you just all write glaf in the comments, please? Glaf, please, please, please. Glaf. Yes, have glaf in the comments. Anyways, if the flag, what do you mean? I don't understand. Oh yeah, this is just erase. For my Python coding class. Yeah, multi-erase. Flag. What was I even thinking? I just lost. Oh yeah, flag.x. So if I look at the flag, it says self.x equals x. So I don't know why it's not self flag. I'm just gonna have to do other now. I guess other is the thing you have to do if you want to specify that's a flag in its identity. It's not doing that. I want to see why. Where is other x. So it's not. I can just make this flat. Okay. If flag.x, I don't think we have enough time. I bet there's like one person watching this. Hey, if you're at this point in the video, please comment flag so I know he's actually watching. I bet the retention is like 2 minutes. Because this is so boring. This is just coding. I mean, it's not even a tutorial. Like, oh yeah, this is that. It's just me coding. It's not even a live stream. Plus, nobody would watch the live stream if any. Flag x minus flag x dot abs. Oh, can I get abs offset? Does this work? I'm gonna ask Vlad for the first time this video actually. Okay, flag x. Does this take 2 values? I bet it takes 2 values. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do this. Control X. It takes a tuple? Okay. Flag X. Self X. I don't. Is this a function? Get offset. The direction. I'm just gonna do dash direction over here because like I couldn't care less. Dash underscore. So why not? Direction equals nothing for now. Yeah. So if that's if the offset is, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Smaller. If this is smaller than 0. So if the offset is negative, what would that mean? That would mean that if I have the flag X over here and I have the, if I have the self X over here, how would it be negative? So I just subtract that, right? I'm just gonna do a flag X minus self X. Like, this is just not necessary. Like, flag X minus self X. Okay. If flag X minus self X, what would that mean? If I had the flag here and I had the self, the way it would be negative is if this is small. So if this is smaller, it means I have to go left. It means I have to go left. Actually, wait. Okay, flag X minus self X equals left offset. What? Sure, whatever. Left offset equals to flag X minus self X, not Y. Okay. Right offset equals flag Y. Can I just do X offset? Yeah. X offset Y offset would be flag that Y minus flag self that Y. Okay, what would that mean? So if it's small and small, okay, so that would be up if it was negative, and down if it was positive. That makes sense, doesn't it? Like, if the X offset's smaller than 0, it's gonna go left, because like the lower in the pie game world, where it's like starts at the top left corner, pie game world, it's smaller to the left, bigger to the right. Small to up, small, bigger down. Okay, that makes sense. If X offset smaller than 0, So it's big, that's big. It's smaller than 0. And x, y offset smaller than x offset. Not self. It's gonna be so long. It's gonna take up some. How much space is this taking up? 25 minutes? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to upload this to YouTube. See ya.